Hello, welcome to the channel. Let's install DLib to our Python interpreter. The first step is to download Anaconda. The link is given in the description. Uh, this is the web page. Just click on download. It will start downloading. Then install. Next, I agree. Just me. Next, you can give any drive, but the default C drive is recommended, but I did it in D drive, D drive Anaconda 3. But you can download on any drive, it's not a big thing. Anaconda 3. Next, next install. Since I already have this, I'm not going to install, but then it's just click on install and it's done. Now go to environment variables. Environment variables path. Now new, go to the folder in which you have downloaded Anaconda and scripts. Okay, click on OK. Since I already have this D Anaconda 3 scripts, just go on OK. Since I already have this, I'm not going to do this. Normally, if you have done it in C folder, it will be like C users, your name, and Anaconda 3. Just go on OK. Okay, done. Okay, now go on to Anaconda Navigator. It will take some time for me. Go to environments, create, just give some name test1. Click on create. Since I already have a test1, I'm not able to create this, but you type test1 Python 3.5 and then create. Done. Now let's go out. Yes. Now go to Anaconda Prompt. Okay. Now we have to activate our virtual environment. Activate test1. Okay. Now give this command to install DLib. Conda install this thing. It's done. Since I already have this package, it's showing like this, but normally it shows Y or N. Just click on Y and then it will be done. Okay. Now open PyCharm. For that you have to download that. The link will be in the description. Just click on this and it will download, and then this will be the file. Install it. Yes. Yes. Next. C. Since I already have this, it's showing some error, but just click next, and then it will ask if you want to specify the path. Click on that and then next. After installing, it will ask to reboot the PC. Do reboot, and now after restarting your PC, um, open PyCharm. Where is that PyCharm? Okay. Now just open a new file, new Python file, new scratch Python file. I have done it. Install import DLib, and if you run it, it's given no module named DLib. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is click this add interpreter existing environment. Uh, Now go to the folder in which you have downloaded the Anaconda 3. In my case, it's downloaded in D drive Anaconda 3. Just go to that Anaconda 3 envs, then test 1. Inside test 1, click on python.exe and press OK. Done. Okay. Then it will show Python 3.5 test 1. Just click on that. Done. Now try running the program. No error. So DLib is successfully installed in your Python interpreter. If you want to download pandas and things like that, just go to terminal, type pip install pandas, press enter, it will work fine. If you want numpy, just give pip install numpy, enter, it will work fine. Or if you want scikit, then just give pip install this thing, it will work fine. Now if you want opencv library, give this pip install opencv, press enter, and it will work fine. So that's all. If you have any doubts, and if you want more tutorial videos on how to download different libraries, just comment, like and share. Thank you.